How to set lock screen live wallpaper on PC or laptop. In this video, I'll show you how to set lock screen live wallpaper on PC or laptop. So there is no direct way for you to add a live wallpaper on your PC or laptop. What you can do is to use an application on your PC or laptop, and a popular live wallpaper application you can use is Lively Wallpaper. So you can find the Lively Wallpaper application on your Microsoft Store. You can also download it online. So go ahead and install Lively Wallpaper on your laptop or PC, and then once you have installed it, you can go ahead and proceed on using the live wallpaper they have on the application, and then use that specific live wallpaper for your PC. And that is how you can basically set lock screen live wallpaper on PC or laptop.